Okay, let's get focused here. This is what you want. You want to be able to print out ToteScan labels on your Nelko. And we're printing here on the Nelko PM220. But what is ToteScan? Take control of your storage with ToteScan. Combine our free ToteScan app and our QR code labels to help you easily track and organize your belongings. And say goodbye to storage frustration. One of the questions that we get from our customers is, can you use ToteScan downloadable labels and print them on the Nelko thermal printers? Absolutely. So which Nelko printers does it work with? That one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and unfortunately not the P21. Yeah, it's unfortunate because that P21 is really, really inexpensive. I think we got ours at, I think it was like $18 or $19 off of Amazon not too long ago. That Nelko needs to make a few changes to their app to make that work, but stay tuned for that one. Getting ToteScan downloadable labels to import into your Nelko app is super easy, and we'll have you printing ToteScan labels in no time. First things first, you've got two ways to snag these labels. You can either head over to our website or grab them right within our ToteScan mobile app. On our website, we've got a bunch of pre-sized labels ready to go. Just find the size you need, make the purchase, and print the PDF to your laser or inkjet printer. The PDF document you receive after purchase is in the label size and orientation in your order. Now, for Nelko, we are interested in the second file you get for your purchase, the CSV file. This CSV file is like the secret sauce. It's got all the info to make the ToteScan labels in your order. Now, if you go to your email after purchase, towards the bottom, you will see a link to the CSV file. Tap that CSV link in your email, save it to your device, and then we'll jump into the Nelko Print app and show you how to use it to create your custom labels. Don't worry, we'll walk you through the Nelko app step by step. Okay, let's just jump right into the Nelko Print app. So this is assuming that you've already downloaded that app and paired it up with your Nelko printer. And that screen shows you, at the top, in our case, we're doing the PM220. So that's what shows up in the upper left. And then what you're going to do is you're going to tap on that plus sign. Start with a blank label. You'll see some icons at the bottom of the screen there. You want to tap and hold and swipe to the left until you see import. And then from here, you're going to, if you have done this already, which this will be your first time likely, you won't see any files at the top, and you'll have to open a local file to get that file that we just saved from the email. So go ahead and do that, and then just kind of locate where that file is that you saved it to. And once you've done that, you'll see this screen here that shows kind of all the stuff that was in that file. And just leave everything as it is. Don't uncheck anything and just hit confirm. Tap on at the column name. You want to tap on the one that says URL, so tap that. And then on the right side there, you're going to tap that where it says text, and you're going to have a little drop down, and then you're going to tap QR code. And then you want to tap the second option, which is code, number 2, tap that, and just leave it as text, and then hit confirm. And then it's going to show you your label. So first thing you want to do is just tap on the line that says double tap to edit. Just tap on that, and then you want to hit the little garbage can button to delete that. Now we're going to move that QR code, so kind of tap and drag the QR code onto the label, and then you can use the bottom right, tap and hold, and make the size that you would like. And then on the text of the label itself, that code, grab that, drag that up. In our case, we're doing it to the right of the QR code. And then you'll want to size that. And you can change the font, you can change the size, the bold, things like that, where it looks good. And then tap the print button down below, and it will print all the labels, or you can select, which label. Maybe you want to just print one, or print the second one or third, or whatever you want to do. You can choose that option. Print your labels up. If you have any questions, please leave them below. You can also reach us by email at support@totescan.com, and we will leave that info in the description below. That's it for this video, and you have a great day.